Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out this Model Y here, and this is actually a standard range. If you get this model or the long range, you do get these 19-inch Gemini wheels and hubcaps, which actually look pretty cool if you do like this kind of look, but it still has a plasticky kind of feel to it. But I will have to say, if anybody knows how to make nice aero covers, I think Tesla here does a great job. Now the cool thing about the Gemini wheels is that the covers do pop off, and underneath the cover there's actually a pretty decent alloy wheel. So let's go ahead and try to pop it off. So all we got to do is just pull on it. You guys can see it kind of breaks loose. So yeah, that's what the back side looks like. So it's just little clips that go around the little ears here to hold on. But yeah, the rim itself actually looks pretty decent, and it is silver in color. So I wish they would have made it, you know, some kind of dark gray or something, kind of like the Model 3, but you know, it is what it is. But because this wheel is really open, you can really see the brake caliper and the rotor, so it does have a more sporty appearance. The issue with this is that now we have an opening here, and you can see the lug nuts. And so what you need is a little covers here that cover up these holes in the lug nuts where it looks much cleaner. So they have different kind of styles and options you can get. So what I opted for is the gray color with a silver logo in the middle for the caps in the center, and the lug covers are just black. So here we can see a little closer what it looks like. I think there is a protective layer on top of there. So once peeling that, it does look even better. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good in gray. And the reason I got them in gray is because eventually I want to paint these wheels in a kind of a dark gray color. So, but for now, we're just going to install these caps, and they do just press in. You can see the little retaining spring ring in there. So let's go ahead and push it in. And just like that, we got a center cap. So yeah, you can see how that looks pretty good. And because this is silver, it actually kind of matches the wheel. So the lug nut covers are just black, and they have a little lip on the end of it here, so you can grab them when you want to pull them out. And it does come with this tool here to grab them later when you want to take them off. But as far as installation, they should just slide right over the existing nut. Yeah, it's a pretty tight fit, so yeah, that looks really good. So yeah, this is what it looks like with center cap and lug nut covers. All right, so I got the back caps on, and now you guys can see what it looks like all together. So I guess the looks are subjective somewhat. It does take away the cleaner look of the car, and if you don't want to look like everybody else, this might be a good option. Me personally, I think I would still want to paint them a darker color because I'm not too crazy about the silver look.